Papercraft Essentials. Now this is issue 186 and it has some wonderful things inside. This may give you a hint with that teapot, but let me show you what else is included in addition to the magazine. You're going to get an impossible card kit. Now what might that be? Well, it's going to make a card like this. Actually, it's going to make 6 cards like that. They're called impossible cards. And you're going to get, everything is with the Alice in Wonderland theme. And you see these foil die cuts. Well, there are 45 of them. Almost all of them are foiled. A few of them aren't. And then you also get these pieces. Now this is going to help you make that impossible card. You get 12 of those different patterns, and then also 5 or 6 card blanks. So, oh, and also you get some foam squares, so that's really helpful too. And let's take a look inside the magazine, because in addition to showing you how to do those, there are more things that will be there. To begin with, there is a section on fantastic folds, and if you are a paper engineer like our Susan was, you can absolutely delight in making these, and there are step-by-step photos, which is ever so helpful, and so that's a fun thing to see. Then we're going to go right here, and this is a section on watercolor stamping. So you go ahead and stamp, and then you add some water with either a paintbrush or a water brush. It softens the look, and it's very, very forgiving. So fun to see that. I wanted to show you this. This is from Fawn, and we're carrying these stamps, and that's wonderful. We're delighted to have Fawn products with us, and just thought you want to take a look at that. And we also do have everything from Card Making Magic by Christina Griffin. So when you see advertisements or projects, you know that we've got the stuff. This is a cut out and keep section, and it's going to really be dedicated to these papers, and also you can do papers that are 10 papers that are a download, and the editor of the magazine will tell you how to get those in her column at the very beginning. That's with Lee Campbell. So here we go. Just going, here is the impossible card and several variations to show you how to do that. And there's also, okay, there's even more. There's some tips about Alice, and I thought this was fun. There are 6 impossible things. There's a potion that can make you shrink and a cake that can make you grow. Animals can talk. Cats can disappear. There's a place called Wonderland, and you can slay the Jabberwocky. So just good things to know about Alice. And then there are also more things. Now you can also get templates from the magazine that will be downloaded to you to make these projects. So that's a nice bonus. Very, very fun. And also they're really promoting the other things that are Alice in Wonderland, and we have Stamperia's Alice in Wonderland paper. So that's a nice thing to share. Now we're going into card making with the download papers and also the foil die cuts that are in the kit. And this is called Curiouser and Curiouser. So very fun looks. You can see that with the artwork, you don't have to do too much, but I think that Liz did a wonderful job with these projects. Just really do focus on those elements and just do a really great, great job. Good techniques. There's also a section in here that was a surprise to me. This is using our hot off the press die cuts. These are the paper toll, foiled and non-foiled ones, and using these to make some beautiful cards. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. That is from Homeward Bound, right? And there are more. So they've done just a beautiful job with all of these. So we'll have to put them on our website, don't you think? Now we've got a section on window gatefold cards, so that's really always nice to see. You can use your cutting dies to make those openings, and then there's more step by step. You can see how you can do that. So just really a treasure with this issue. So Papercraft Essentials, issue 186, you're going to learn impossible cards and so much more. And we're delighted to have this exclusively at paperwishes.com.